Excited to be here and to be a part of this project, and I have no idea what I'm going to create, and it's an honor to be with all the caliber of artists that I just saw. I mean, so beautiful and moved by the project. So I'm excited to see what unfolds over the next week. It's really exciting.
Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it feels like years since it's been here.
For my piece, I decided to paint a butterfly with a world map imprinted on one of its wings, and it's on blossoms that are crossing the two panels. And I chose this subject because thinking of the butterfly effect, that really the small, tender actions that we take on a daily basis have the potential to create a broader impact. And this day and age, with the tools that we have through technology, that the impact is more likely to be global than ever.
Here comes the sun, here comes the sun, and I say it's alright.
It's a skewed map that we've learned, so I thought, I'm going to skew it my own way and put China and the US a little bit closer also, because art does change perceptions. It changes how we feel about something, and then it changes how we live accordingly to our beliefs. So sometimes if art has this feeling like, wow, China and the US are actually kind of neighbors, and look they just almost touch up top.
Darling, I feel that ice is slowly melting. Little darling, it seems like years.
And I chose nature as home because, the idea that the whole planet is on the side of the butterfly, the idea that we're really all one, all in this together, and that the planet is our only home, and that we're one in that.
Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright.
I'm really happy that I had the opportunity to come here and paint. I'm happy with what came out. It was unplanned. I didn't have a design before I came. Feels like this, and then I get to